Nutrients are the substances in food that provide raw materials and energy the body needs to carry out its essential processes. Types of nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water. Carbohydrates provide energy found in foods like grains, fruits, and vegetables. Carbohydrates are a major source of energy from our diet. Composed of the elements CH and O are also called saccharides, which means sugars are produced by photosynthesis in plants. Such as glucose are synthesized in plants from CO2, H2O, and energy from the sun are oxidized in living cells to produce CO2, H2O and energy. Carbohydrates is an organic compound that consists only of carbon, C, hydrogen and oxygen. The primary function of carbohydrates is to provide energy for the body. Simple carbohydrates have 1 or 2 sugar molecules. Complex carbohydrates have 3 or more sugar molecules, such as legumes, bread, rice, etc. Carbohydrates are a class of biomolecules made up to carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, usually with the general formula, CH2O, and they are one of the main types of nutrients and a primary energy source for the body. Carbohydrates can be categorized into simple carbohydrates, sugars, like glucose and fructose, and complex carbohydrates, starches and fibers. They are found in foods like grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, and they play essential roles in providing energy, supporting digestion, and regulating blood sugar levels. Monosaccharides, simple sugars, such as glucose, fructose, and galactose, which are the building blocks of more complex carbohydrates. Disaccharides, made of 2 monosaccharides linked together. Examples include sources: table sugar, lactose, milk sugar, and maltose. Polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates made of many monosaccharide units, such as starch in plants, glycogen, the storage from in animals, and cellulose, a structural component in plants. Energy source: they provide 4 calories per gram and are the body's preferred energy source, especially for brain and muscle function. Storage of energy: in animals, excess carbohydrates are stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles, while plants store them as starch. Structural function: in plants, carbohydrates like cellulose provide structure to cell walls. Foods rich in carbohydrates include grains, wheat, rice, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and dairy products. They can be further categorized as simple carbohydrates, which are digested quickly and found in sugary foods, and complex carbohydrates, which take longer to digest and are found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. Complex carbs provide more sustained energy and dietary fiber, which is important for digestion. Fats supply energy and support cell structure. Sources include oils, butter, nuts, and fatty fish. Fats are nutrients in food that the body uses to build cell membranes, nerve tissue including the brain, and hormones. Helps with normal growth and development by providing essential fatty acids, is a source of energy. Adds taste and texture to foods, forms cell membranes and secretions in body, helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K, cushions internal organs. Digestion: fat in food is digested and absorbed into adipose, or fatty, tissue. Energy: provide and reserve, helps the body maintain a constant temperature. Production and regulation of steroid hormones. Maintaining nerve impulse transmission. Myelin shield. Provides source of energy. Cherries: certain vitamins. Flavor substances that makes food taste good. Makes foods, meat and baked goods, tender. Helps you feel full after eating. Helps body store energy. Fatty tissue. Forms cushion that helps protects internal organs from injury. Forms insulation that helps maintain body temperature. Fats, also known as lipids, serve several important functions in the body. Energy storage: fats are a major source of energy. They provide more calories per gram, 9 calories, than carbohydrates or proteins, 4 calories per gram. The body stores excess calories as fat for later use. Insulation and protection: fats help insulate the body and protect vital organs by cushioning them. Cell structure: fats are essential components of cell membranes, helping maintain their structure and flexibility. Nutrient absorption: fats aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, and other nutrients. Overall, fats play a vital role in maintaining energy balance, body protection, and proper physiological function. Protein is your body needs to grow and repair cells, and to work properly. Protein is found in a wide range of food, and it's important that you get enough protein in your diet every day. How much protein you need from your diet varies depending on your weight, gender, age, and health. Proteins are large molecules consisting of amino acids which our bodies and the cells in our bodies need to function properly. Our body structures, functions, the regulation of the body cells, tissues, and organs cannot exist without proteins. Protein are large, complex molecules that play many critical roles in the body. Protein is found in muscle, bone, skin, hair, and virtually every other body part or tissue. They do most of the work in cells and are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Structurally, proteins are comprised of strands of amino acids. Proteins are large biological molecules consisting of one or more long chains of amino acid. That means proteins are composed of amino acids. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass. It is commonly found in animal products and plant products as well as nuts and legumes. Proteins are large, complex molecules that play many critical roles in the body. They do most of the work in cells and are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. A protein is a large, complex molecule made up of one or more chains of amino acids, which are organic compounds. Proteins are essential for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's cells, tissues, and organs. They play key roles in various biological processes, including enzymes, proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body. Structural proteins provide support and shape to cells, example collagen, keratin. Transport proteins help move molecules across cell membranes or throughout the body, example hemoglobin. Signaling proteins facilitate communication between cells.